Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Let's explore the word for. For means used to indicate the purpose or intended recipient of an action or the duration of time. You can use for when indicating the purpose of an action, who it's intended for, or the duration of time it lasts. For example, you might use for to explain why you're doing something, who you're doing it for, or how long it will take. In a sentence, you could say, she made a cake for her friend's birthday. Here, for indicates the purpose of making the cake, which is for her friend's birthday. Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. He bought flowers for his mother. She made a reservation for 2 at the restaurant. He packed a lunch for his hike. She wrote a letter for her grandmother. He studied hard for the exam. She made a playlist for the road trip. He saved money for his vacation. She baked cookies for the bake sale. He worked overtime for extra money. She volunteered at the shelter for the animals. He set an alarm for 6 a.m. She prepared a presentation for the meeting. He bought a gift for his niece's graduation. She practiced piano for an hour every day. He saved a seat for his friend. She went shopping for new clothes. He waited in line for tickets to the concert. She cooked dinner for her family. He walked his dog for 30 minutes. She read a book for pleasure. And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning.